When it comes to cleaning stove, two ingredients are very important. The first one is the motivation and the other one is the right set of tools. We'd need these four products: cleaning vinegar, baking powder, degreaser and a polisher. Remove the stove burners and grill. Spread the baking powder from 2 feet above such that it forms a nice thin film on the stove. Load up the cleaning vinegar in a spray bottle and spray it generously over the stove. Leave it for 15 minutes and then start cleaning up. Repeat if necessary. We can then follow up with a degreaser for a final finish and then a polisher for protection. The other tip that I want to share with you is on how to clean the kitchen tiles easily. Spray some cleaning vinegar on the tiles and sprinkle some baking powder on top of it. Let it sit for a few minutes and then we can easily clean off the grease using a blade. You can get this blade from Amazon or eBay or AliExpress for just a few bucks. This will save you a lot of time. You can clearly see that in one go the grease is coming off nice and easy. It is safe to use the blades on the stone tops as well. Thanks for watching.